Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your models will practically build themselves. Well, folks, it's Mad Dog Murph. Welcome to the Kit Hoarder Stash. And today, well, we've got some figures, some more figures. And these are the U.S. Modern Marines from Dragon in their Elite Forces series, unopened. I have these for a specific reason. It's funny here on the end of the box, $6.95 each. Wow, I wonder how many years ago that was. Because now, yeah, you're not getting them for under $10 nowadays. So let's take a look at them. I got these for a project I'm doing for my brother-in-law, who was a Marine Corps light colonel. And you know what a light colonel is, right? They're 1/3 less calories than a regular colonel. Yeah, so he has me building the LAV command version that he served in. He gave me some great pictures and pictures of his, of his guys. So we're going to take a look at this today. Looks like we have one guy just kind of standing there, and he's got the radio on his back. This one here kneeling, using the radio. Got a, what is that? That's not a saw. Anyway, we've got a machine gunner, and we got another standing soldier there. So here's your assembly instructions on the back here, and your painting. In the looks like, I'm not sure which one this is because I'm not up on the modern camo, but this isn't the cookie chip. I think this is one right after the cookie chip, I think. And then you've got woodland for the gear. Is what it's calling for. Of course, I'm going to look at it and see what the pictures are that I've got, and I'll paint them accordingly. But I need the gear for the guys that I am going to be representing, which were part of his crew. Let's take a look at them. I'm sure they're going to be typical Dragon figures. In other words, very good. What did we drop? What did we drop? Something dropped. Oh yeah, that's weird. Huh, okay. So, first off, this just fell right on out, and these are bullets. A belt, a machine gun belt. Here are our weapons. I like these already. But I still don't like the way they're packaged. I just can't get over that. Never have liked Dragon's packaging. Now this is interesting. So here it says an L7A2 automatic, an RPK 74. That's neat. U.S. Navy M23, like that. An NEG EV LMG right there. An L4A4, an M16 LMG A2, and an NF-1. That's really cool, I think. Get out of the way here so you can kind of see. But yeah, that's got some good weapons with it for these four guys. and which will be great for my LAV. That's neat. I like that. Holy cow! You struck the jackpot here on the weapons. So here's, wow. Check this out. We got more. Got a couple of rifles here, and looks like a saw there. Nice, very nice. So right there, you got 4 weapons for him to carry, but then you got all of these others. That's really neat. Cool. That's impressive. So this is definitely worth the price of admission. Just so you get some extra. And of course, I drop it. I'm trying to open this stinking bag. Say I hate these. I hate their packaging. Okay. And here's our different figures. And of course, they've got their knife, their canteens. So you get 2 canteens per. Goggles, and all the rest of your gear, which is really nice. The moldings are typical for Dragon. You know, you're going to have some seam lines to clean up. Usually the fit on these is good. So very little filling usually. And of course the engravings of the gear is usually pretty good. And to me, this doesn't disappoint. These are going to be very nice, built and going with that LAV. I believe this came out right about the time of Desert Storm. I'm not the expert on that. I guess I should have checked out somewhere. But anyway, these have been out for a while, but they are very good representation of U.S. Marines. So, with that said, I am going to get started on them because I need to get this project going. And that was short, to the point today. We'll have some more figures probably next week. So, thanks for joining us today, folks, and have a good week.